everyone. In this video, we're designing a responsive button using auto layout. Ready? Let's get started. Let's create our button. Grab the text tool from the bottom toolbar or use shortcut T and type "click me" right in your home screen frame from the last video. Now select the text box. Right click and choose Add Auto Layout or use the shortcut Shift A. Boom! It wraps your text in a frame. Check the Layers panel on the left. Figma created an auto layout frame for us, and the frame icon changes to show it's active. Pretty cool, right? Now hit Command R or Ctrl R on Windows to rename the frame to button. Let's make it pop. In the right panel under Design, find Fill and pick a color. I'm gonna pick a dark blue. Now let's check the auto layout properties. We'll talk about the gap between objects in a minute, but for now let's adjust padding. If you click this icon, you can set padding for right, left, top and bottom separately. I'm gonna set the horizontal padding to 24 pixels and keep the vertical padding at 8 pixels. Watch how it adds a space around "click me." To test responsiveness, I changed the font size. See how button grows to fit? If the text gets longer, it expands too. That's because the resizing's set to hug. But if I set the text and frame width to fixed and shorten the text, the frame stays put. To keep it responsive, let's switch back to hug. We'll dive deeper into resizing options next time. Now let's add an icon to our button. Head to the Assets panel, grab a pointer icon and drag it into the button frame. See how the button resizes automatically? That's auto layout at work. We can adjust the gap between the text and icon. Go to the Layout in the right panel and tweak the spacing slider. You can also change the layout direction. Try vertical to stack the icon below "click me", horizontal to line them side by side, or wrap to arrange multiple items. Let's duplicate the icon a few times. Watch this. If I choose horizontal, everything lines up in a row. Let's make sure the height's set to high. Now switch to wrap. The frame will arrange the icons and text in rows, fitting as many as it can before moving to the next line. It's like organizing items on a shelf, wrapping to the next row when there's no more space. Perfect for responsive designs. Next time, we'll turn this button into a reusable component. If you found this tutorial helpful, consider subscribing for more videos like this. Thanks for joining me. Until next time, elevate and create.